Hi guys, welcome to Pre-Calculus, Math 187. My name is Amit and I'll be your instructor this semester. So a little bit about me. I've been teaching for 24 years. This is my 24th year now. I started teaching when I was 21 and I've just, been in love with the profession ever since. I live in California, so this is a class being fully online, and I teach at a college called Santa Ana College here full time, and I teach part time for Coconino, which I absolutely love doing. So I'm gonna help you guys get started in this class and kind of give you some guidelines as to how you should be navigating this class. And of course, I'm always open to questions. So even though this is a fully online class, which means you will be responsible for watching the video lessons, and that's like your lecture, and the Zoom recordings, which is also like your lecture, doing the homework on your own. But I will be available for any questions you may have, any clarification. So even though there are no class meetings, we can always set up a time to meet over Zoom and go over any questions that you guys might have. So let me just take you through the course. So the course welcome is, like what you're watching now, this video. If you want to take a look at the syllabus, you can click on the syllabus here, and you can read that at your convenience. So module one, every module is set up in the following way. First off, you have these notes. You can either print them or you can download them. If you have a device that you can write on, then feel free to download and save some paper. But these notes are aligned to the video lessons and the Zoom recordings. So as you are watching the video lessons and the Zoom recordings, you will fill out these notes. Now, if there's something you don't understand, as I said, feel free to send me an email and ask me a question. So after you print them or download them, whatever you'd like, you can look at the learning objectives for each section. You can read the book if you want to, but it's definitely not required. Most people, in fact, don't read. They rely more on the video lessons for the material. But again, if you want to, you're more than welcome to. So the video lessons, they're videos that I recorded, and you can click on here, and I'll make sure everything is set to go.
Welcome to your first lesson in college.
So here's the video lesson, and as you can see, the notes are aligned to that video lesson, so you can fill them out as you go along. Now, not everything is covered in the video lessons. There are some examples that are not. So for the examples that are not covered in the video lesson, you would click on the Zoom recording, and you can like fast forward to those lessons and get that. But I do recommend watching the video lesson first, because the video lesson takes you through like the more conceptual part of it, and then the Zoom recording does some review, give you some background stuff, things you may have forgotten, and then it takes you through the entire
Radical 64.
Takes you through the entire lesson as well. Okay. All right. Once you finish that, once you watch the take notes using the video lesson, the Zoom recording, you would click on a practice assignment. And the practice assignments, you can do them any question as many times as you'd like. So let me give you an example. Let's say that I get something incorrect. So I'm going to put in some incorrect answers here. Then I'll submit the question. So when you submit the question, you can see that it's incorrect. So you can do it again. You can do it up to 3 times. So do it again, and then you can do it one more time. And then once you do it a 3rd time, you can see what the answer is. So like in this case, we're looking for point A, and the answer is -2, -3. So what you can do at this point is work backwards and be like, okay, so A, how do they get that answer, -2, -3? And then you can just click on get a similar question, and you can redo it. You can do this as many times as you want to. Most questions, actually I think all questions, have some kind of a help feature, so you can click on the video help and it'll take you through a very similar question. So if you're stuck, just click on the video help feature, and that'll be that. So that's pretty much the basics of this class, and you would just kind of do this for for every section, and they'll be published by the week. Your exams and your quizzes will be fully online. I'll give you guys more information about that. And like I said, even though it is a fully online class that is going to be self-taught by you, I'm here to support you. And I look forward to your questions. All right, thank you so much and have a great semester.